Clever Fox Planner Pro is an advanced version of the original Clever Fox Planner. You start off with an awareness and self-discovery section. First, describe the vision of your ideal life. This is a moment to dream big. Everything is possible, and there are no limits. Let go of judgments and cannots. Let the ideas flow. Now, think about your core values. What are they? Maybe one is being kind to all the people around you, or maybe it's always keeping your promises. Looking through this section on a regular basis will help you instill these values into your subconscious mind, thus instilling them into your day-to-day behavior. Next, get clear on what you are passionate about. Maybe you love expressing yourself through painting or being the best at your job. Write down your passions. Life is short, so you need to find out what you're passionate about and what makes you excited to get out of bed every day. Your personal mission statement brings focus and purpose to your life, so take the time to think about it. Many successful people have a personal mission statement which guides them in life by defining who they are and why they do what they do. Think about the distractions and negative patterns you have that might be barriers to living a more productive and fulfilling life. Daily rituals. This section prompts you to reflect on the good things in your life, both large and small. Gratitude is an immensely powerful force that you can use to improve your happiness, relationships, productivity, and health. List all the things you are grateful for and review this section on a daily basis to get a boost of confidence and reduce stress. Daily affirmations. Write down a list of your favorite affirmations here. Keeping a more positive mindset will help you to attain your goals. Whenever doubt gets to you, review your affirmations. They will put you back on track. What are the things that are important but always seem to fade away? In this section, list the things about you which you should remind yourself on a daily basis. Vision board. Cut out images and words from magazines. Use doodles or simply record some thoughts about where you want to go in life. There aren't any rules, so let your imagination run wild. With words and images, create a vision board that shows all the dreams and aspirations you want to come to fruition. You can refer back to it throughout the year to gain new motivation and see how far you've come. Whether you believe it or not, visualization works. Think about what you want your life to be like in 1, 5, 10, and 20 years from now. How old will you be? This will add some urgency to your vision, thus motivating you even more, or even motivating you to change some of your priorities. Your 1-year goals. Now, when you have the understanding of the big picture of what you want in life, it's time to choose the most important goals that you want to achieve in the next 12 months when you are using your Clever Fox Planner Pro. List the top 5 goals of each area of your life. These may be health, business or career, family and friends, significant other and romance, finance, personal development, fun and recreation, spiritual, and so on. It is always very important to write down your reasons why. When you feel like you're struggling, wanting to give up, or feel like there is no sense in all the hard work, reviewing your reasons why will empower you, fill you with energy, and bring you new motivation. Your 3-month goals. Now, take a look at your yearly goals and break them down into what can be achieved in the next 3 months, which is your first focus. The Pro has 4 quarterly sections, enough to cover the whole year. So, break down the goals into the simplest and smallest steps possible. Start building momentum by checking those to-dos off. Monthly View. The Monthly View has a familiar Sunday to Saturday calendar, space for notes, a section for this month's goals and tasks, and a section for the things that will make your month great. Here you can set out to learn a certain skill or build a new healthy habit. Also, think about places you can go and people you'd like to see. What distractions should you avoid this month? Too much social media at work? Or maybe spend less time on your phone while you are spending time with your family or friends? And set out to do one special thing you always wanted to do. Life is about having fun. Monthly Review. At the end of each month, you have a comprehensive monthly review section. This spread will guide you through analysing your past month. Start off by identifying your biggest wins. Continue with the most important lessons and insights of the past month. Use the wheel graph to evaluate your life areas and find out which were lacking. To do that, colour in or fill out the specific areas up to the score you would give to your life area. Next, think about the tasks you set for yourself that were not accomplished. Try to figure out why. Jot down some thoughts about this month and mark a score for your productivity below. Was it a successful month? We sure hope it was. Think of ways to have an even better next month. After all, there's always room for improvement. Weekly View. This is your weekly view. There's space for each day of the week, starting on Monday. That was done intentionally to make sure you have more writing space during the week's workdays. Each day of the week has 5 lines of space and a dedicated section for the day's main goal and your top 3 priorities. Start off by setting this week's main goals. You can even set a specific reward for yourself for reaching this goal. Next, write down this week's priorities. These are non-negotiable tasks that must be completed within the week. Separating work tasks from personal tasks is a must. This is why there is a separate to-do list for your personal tasks. This list shows your errands and follow-up tasks. Bring more healthy habits and positive daily rituals into your life and stick to them by using the habit tracker. These could be your workout routines, meditation, or even as simple as drinking a certain amount of water every day. Next up is a life balance to-do list. This involves life areas such as health and fitness, family and friends, and more. Spend some time with your family or partake in an open-air yoga session. These to-dos will help you feel great and help you reach a work-life balance. Write down things you're excited about this week. It could be anything from a visit to a relative or a long-awaited promotion. This dot grid is the perfect place for your notes, doodles, and anything you like. At the end of the week, this section, consisting of this week's wins, lessons learned, and how I'll improve next week, will help you analyze and evaluate your week. At the end, you'll find an extra 50 dot grid pages, perfect for ideas, brainstorm, sketches, doodles, shopping lists, contacts, and just about anything you can imagine. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.